Heygen has come up with a video AI agent that allows you to create social media posts and compelling videos right from their platform. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So the main aim here is to essentially write a topic, idea, or instructions, and the video agent is essentially going to produce a full avatar video, which I think is quite interesting. I got offered early access to this, and yeah, it's been interesting so far. They actually provided a series of prompts as well that we could potentially use. I'm just going to open that up. So yeah, let's see what we've got here. And this is essentially a sort of quick guide for people as they're sort of testing this out. I'm going to scroll all the way through. You can use it with explainer videos, educational videos, onboarding, company stories, internal communications, UGC content as well. I'm going to go through this whole thing, but I'm just going to scroll down through it so you can pause and read it at any point. But there are quite a lot of use cases for this platform. I think UGC is certainly going to be a popular one. Yeah, and I think this is a really interesting development in the field of content creation and AI powered media generation as well. So of course you can use this for any form of e-learning. I think what would be interesting is to basically A/B different kind of videos and what you get based on the sort of prompts that you use. You can also use some longer prompts as well. They've got some interesting templates and recommendations here. Yeah, definitely check this all out. I think it's a really useful it's a really useful document in terms of what you may want to generate. So we've got a prompt for a student mental health video. Here's just an example they've provided. McDonald's growth and franchising, lifestyle and tutorials. Yeah, that's certainly a big market. Food tutorials, interesting stuff. Cybersecurity awareness training. So here's a prompt for that. I could potentially use the new video agent for. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to copy one of these. I think I'll go with the e-learning. And what I will say is I'm basically just going to change this bottom here and about what the video should teach. Okay, cool. So this is the base template. I should really copy this, and the only thing I need to change is this dynamic variable at the bottom there. So I'm going to use that one. That's everything in here, and I'm just going to copy and paste this. And I want to learn. I'm going to say I want to learn about the low effort, high impact gains, productivity gains I can accomplish with AI and large language models. Okay, cool. I'll leave it at 9:16. You can decide how long you want it to be. I'm going to leave it on automatic, and you can also upload bits of media as well. I'm going to leave it on this though, so we've got all of that in here. Cool. I'm just going to do this, and then I'm going to use an input section script to define core subjects, breaks it down. Okay, cool. So this is where I could essentially tweak if I wanted to. I think I'll leave it here for now though, and then I'll send this off, and yeah, let's see what we get. So right now the model's thinking, considering user intent. Okay, cool. So it looks like a reasoning model here. We can see what it's thinking as it's thinking it. So it's considering the intent, structuring the script, formulating the plan, and we've got all of that here. Cool. So the topic is productivity gains with AI and large language models. Okay, it looks good to me, so I'm going to click proceed. Sweet. So I think this may take a minute or two. I'll just come back in a little while and see what I've got. Okay, cool. So we've now got the video, and let's see what it's like. I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out. Damn, I'm going to leave it there. I have to say, I am thoroughly impressed, but not surprised. Of course, Heygen is the platform that really fuels this channel. This channel will definitely not be possible without Heygen. You know, I myself, I'm made with Heygen. And I think this is an amazing direction they're going in now. To be able to create a video of this quality, bear in mind it goes on for another 2 minutes, right? You know, and I'm sure it's not perfect, right? I'm sure there are going to be some hiccups. I'm sure there are things that, you know, I need to change, but this has just already saved so much time in terms of sourcing images, sourcing videos like B-roll, all this kind of stuff. The amount of time saved is almost immeasurable. So yeah, this is an amazing step in the right direction. Looking forward to seeing a lot more of this kind of functionality from Heygen, and definitely check this out. I think this is going to be the future of at least the ideation stage of videos, and potentially even the execution and delivery stage as well. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.